Hi everyone, this is just a quick overview of assignment 1 from lesson 4. It's just going to help you understand how to complete the assignment. The first thing that you have to make sure you're doing is following all the directions on the assignment itself. The plagiarism assignment asks you to quote some lines and to cite them, and to paraphrase some others and cite them. For the quotations, you're going to put the writer's exact words in quotation marks, add a signal phrase with the author's name, and put the page number in parentheses. For the paraphrased information, you'll need the citation in parentheses. The author's name in the paraphrased information itself and the signal phrase are optional. But if you go back to lesson 4, you'll see there's some information I'm going to cover in the next slide that's going to help you if you don't know how to quote or paraphrase or cite correctly. The citation information that you need appears below the passage in the assignment. You need the author's name, and you're going to need the page number here, page 554. Make sure that you read everything in lesson 4. This is an online class. You can't just skim the information. You have to read it carefully. I recommend, besides reading this carefully, that you keep it open while you're working on assignment 1. This information here, quoting, paraphrasing, and citing, explains exactly how to quote, exactly how to paraphrase, and exactly how to cite to get through assignment 1. So don't skip that item. And it also gives tips at the end for this specific assignment. Make sure you pay close attention to the assignment instructions itself. The assignment might be challenging, but the instructions and information are here for you. So you're going to be working with this passage in the assignment. The first thing to do is some quoting. The first thing you're going to do with this is some quoting. Okay. So we have an excerpt here from something by Ralph Waldo Emerson, and that's what we're working with here. You're going to quote sentences 1, sentence 2, and sentence 3. That's how they're numbered. It doesn't mean they're in that order, but that's what you need to look at. For 1, 2, and 3, you're going to be quoting. So when you quote, you put something in the writer's exact words with quotation marks and a signal phrase. Something like, according to Ralph Waldo Emerson, and then the quote. You're going to need the page number in parentheses after. Again, if you need specific examples of this, if you go back to lesson 4 and you look at the information on quoting, paraphrasing, and citing, that's what's going to assist you in completing this assignment, quoting correctly. So for number 1, 2, and 3, you're working with 1, 2, and 3. The next things you're going to do for number 4 and 5 are to paraphrase. Okay? So you're going to be working with paraphrasing, and you're going to be working with the sentences numbered 4 and 5, the parts of the reading numbered 4 and 5, and you're going to take those passages and put them into your own words. You're going to put a parenthetical citation at the end. There's a link here that'll help you, but you can also go back to lesson 4 because that explains to you all you need here is the author's name and the page number. So for paraphrasing, we're going to work with 4 and 5. You're going to take this information and just do your best to put it in your own words. Okay? To put it in your own words means just read it a few times and then try to see if you can figure out what it means, and without looking at the passage, write it down, then compare it. You're going to need the author's name and the page number for the citation. Okay? There are some additional resources in the lesson for quoting, paraphrasing, and citing. You can look at both of these links. But I really recommend that you just go back to lesson 4, open that file that's called Quoting, Paraphrasing, and Citing, and keep that open while you work on the assignment, and that should assist you.